Major details outlined in newly unsealed court documents after Bryan Kohberger, accused of killing 4 University of Idaho students, makes his first court appearance in Latah County.
Tonight, our Jake Garcia joins us in studio to break down a lot of those new details. And Jake, we've been following this case very closely for weeks, and there was a lot of new information in this document that was unsealed this morning, most notably the case for that K-bar knife left behind at the crime scene. And the suspect was seen inside the house by one of the surviving roommates.
Yeah, a lot of new details that we didn't know before, we now know, and it gives us all more insight into what happened that night as police also shift the timeline of the murders to after 4 a.m. Today, Bryan Kohberger going before the judge after arriving in the gym state last night. He was officially arraigned on 4 charges of first-degree murder and burglary. The probable cause affidavit, 19 pages in all, revealing DNA was collected from a knife sheath left at the crime scene.
All right.
Court documents unsealed Thursday reveal new details which investigators say tied their suspect, Bryan Kohberger, to the scene where 4 students were murdered on November 13th. A leather sheath for a K-bar knife was found on the bed where police located 2 of the victims. On the case's button snap, male DNA that investigators later matched to Kohberger after testing a sample found in the family's trash in Pennsylvania. While sifting through surveillance footage, investigators narrow in on a white Hyundai Elantra seen circling the home several times between 3:30 and 4 a.m. before speeding away around 4:20 that morning. Days later, a Washington State University police officer locates a 2015 white Hyundai Elantra registered to Bryan Kohberger. The affidavit also outlines how a surviving roommate saw the suspect inside the home. She told police she woke up around 4 a.m. to what sounded like Kaylee playing with her dog upstairs. Moments later, the roommate thought she heard Kaylee say, "There's someone here." She looked out her bedroom door on the 2nd floor but didn't see anything. Then she told officers she heard crying from Xana's room and a male voice saying, "It's okay, I'm going to help you." She peeked out again and told investigators she froze when she saw a tall man who she didn't recognize, wearing all black and a mask covering his nose and mouth, walking toward her and then to the back sliding glass door. All she could see was his bushy eyebrows and athletic build. Court documents reveal Kohberger's phone was turned off or on airplane mode during the time of the murders, but it also shows his phone pinged near the King Road home 12 times in the months leading up to the murders. On one occasion in August, he was pulled over just 5 minutes from the home. Police body cams show him alone in the white Hyundai Elantra where he provided his phone number, which investigators used to trace his whereabouts. That same phone being near the crime scene 5 hours after the murders before police were called to the scene. In court, the judge formally reading his charges and denying bail.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Following Thursday's hearing, the Gonsalves family attorney speaking briefly to reporters.
And the family will be here for the long haul.
Today, the judge ordering Kohberger not to contact the victims' families or the surviving roommates. If convicted, Kohberger faces the death penalty or life in prison. A status conference is set for next Thursday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Still, some questions remain, though. Have police found that K-bar knife? Did he know the victims? And why was it until noon until police were called? You can read the full document in this story on our website, idahonews6.com. In studio, Jake Garcia, Idaho News 6.